No. You're different.
I am the exact same person that you reeled in with that jumpsuit.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna walk through with you my all-time favorite hair products that I use to maintain a healthy and shiny hair, and also how I achieve my natural hair curls. Before I dry my hair, on my wet hair, I always apply the Lucido-L Argan Rich hair cream actually. So I've been using this hair cream for years now, and I always apply them on the ends of my hair. And this cream works as a treatment cream. It helps to deeply moisturize and reduce all kinds of frizziness. So off camera, I did air dry my hair before I even use my hair dryer to dry them completely, because inside of my hair it's always still wet somehow. So yeah, so since I've done with this, I am gonna go ahead and also apply the Kiehl's Smoothing Oil Infused Leave-In Concentrate Hair Oil. I always love to apply the oils at the ends of my hair, and nothing really touches the roots of it, because that's how I always want it to be, unless I'm deeply cleansing my hair with oil and I want to soak them, then that's where it will be deeply on the roots. But otherwise than that, on a natural day-to-day basis, it's always at the ends of my hair. And I have preheat my hair curler to 200, and I leave them on like for at least 5 minutes maximum. And as you guys can see, I don't really use any kind of clips to clip in my hair. Like, I know my hair very well, so I just leave them, I just part them on two sides, and then I will actually start curling them. So I don't really put on the curls on my hair for more than a minute, because I want the curls to look very soft. So the moment it's on my hair, I actually try to, like, you know, bring it away or bring it down away, because later on, once I'm styling my hair, I will just run through my fingers and expand the curls so they look way more natural, as how I desire, if I can say that. So as you guys can see, my curls are always not consistent. I like to either put it inwards or outwards. I play around with my curls because I really enjoy having curls. I mean, to me, especially when it comes to the front of my hair, I like to put it like backwards, so that it gives a very nice effect, like a Rapunzel kind of effect it gives, which I really enjoy. So yeah guys, this is what I always do to achieve my hair curl. So whenever my hair grows very long, what I would do is I would go to the salon and I will actually cut my hair for like at least 2 inches short, so that the ends of my hair is always dry. So to maintain and keep my hair looking way healthier, I would always cut it. And I love having like this kind of fringe effect, because all my life I always had longer hair on the front. So these days I just want to try something new, so I just opt in with this style. And yeah guys, so whenever you guys feel like your hair is getting longer, it's always best to cut your hair at least 2 or 3 inches. And I always do a layer cut so that it has more volume on my hair. So once the curls are done, I always would go in back and forth to see the areas that has not been curled properly, or probably I just want to modify the curls a little bit. So I'll go in and do it back to back until I'm really happy with it. And as you guys can see, it's super easy to achieve a natural looking curls. And yeah, once the curls are done, I would always also go in and apply the same oil on my hair. So on days that I have events, so I'm going out, I would give a light spray, but I'm not a firm believer in spraying my hair because I want to maintain the beauty of it. So I always just go in with hair oil. And yeah, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.
No. You're different.
I am the exact same person that you reeled in with that jumpsuit.
I don't